Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home, right? Shall we start today's session? Today we are going to see a new lesson called The Right Place. The Right Place. I am your English teacher in Whittle Matriculation School. The right place. These are the camels, okay, in the desert. Let's see the lesson, okay dears. The lesson name is The Right Place. The right place. The sariyana idam. The right place, okay. This little camel asked his mother, let's see, Ma, the elephants have short legs with 5 toes, but why do I have long legs with 2 toes? What this camel asked? Elephants have only short legs. We all know, right? Elephants have only short, குட்டியான கால்கள் தான் இருக்கும் with 5 toes. Toes means கால் விரல்கள். Elephants have short legs with 5 toes, but the camels have only 2 toes but having very long legs. Very long legs, but it has only 2 toes, okay, 2 toes. Likewise, this camel asked, Ma, the elephants have short legs with 5 toes, but why do I have long legs but with 2 toes? The mother camel replied, My child, we live in the desert. The desert has lot of sand and rocks. Desert has a lot of sand. Sand na மண்ணு. நிறைய சாண்டும் ராக்ஸ் பாறைகளும் இருக்கும் எங்க பாலைவனத்துல. Our legs help us to walk in the loose desert sand. Which helps? Their legs helps to only walk in those desert sand. Our toes protect us from the hot sand. It protects us from the hot sand. What it told? Their toes protect from hot sand. Camel's toes helps them to protect from hot sand. Okay, my child, we live in the desert. The desert has a lot of sand and rocks. Our legs help us to walk in the loose desert sand. Our toes protect us from the hot sand. This is a 1 mark question, dears. The toes helps them to protect from hot sand. Okay. This is a camel. This is a leg, okay. This is their long leg. It has only 2 toes. Camels have only 2 toes. Next page. This camel asked, Ma, why do I have these long lashes? Lashes means this is the lashes, okay. These are the lashes. The lashes are placed around the eye, okay. It is called as eyelashes. Eyelashes. Ma, why do I have this long lashes? This camel asked, why do it has long lashes like this? These lashes are very long, right? So it asked her mom. Her mom replied, My child, in the desert there are strong winds. There are strong காத்தடிக்கும். These winds carry sand with them. மணலையும் சேர்த்து அந்த காற்று இழுத்துட்டு வரும். Our lashes keep our eyes safe from these winds. Only our lashes, eyelashes keep our eyes safe from strong winds. Okay, strong winds ல இருந்து காப்பாத்துறதுக்காக தான் இந்த eyelashes இருக்கு. Okay, my child, in the desert there are strong winds. Desertல பாலைவனத்துல there is a strong winds. So these winds carry sand with them. Along with the strong winds, they carry sand. Our eyelashes only keep our eyes safe from these winds. It keeps our eyes safe from these winds. Okay, this is a purpose for eyelashes found. Okay dears, this is also one more question. Eyelashes protect them from strong wind. Next one, do you know why we have humps on our back? This is a hump. This is a hump. This one is a hump. Okay, this is the hump. Do you know why we have humps in our back? முதுகுல எதுக்கு இது மாதிரி humps இருக்கு அப்படினு தெரியுமா? In the desert, it's hard to find food and water. It is very hard to find food and water. Our humps store food so that we can use the food in the hump if we cannot find it in the desert. In the desert, it's hard to find food and water. In the desert, பாலைவனத்தில் தண்ணியோ இல்லை சாப்பாடோ கிடைக்காது அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரத்தில். So it's very hard to find our food and water. Our humps store food. This hump, it store food items. Okay, so that we can use the food in the hump. If we cannot find any food in the desert, we can use those food in those days. Okay dears, when they didn't find any food on the desert, the camel used the store food in the hump. Okay, the foods are stored in this hump. This is a hump. It is used to store food. Why the eyelashes are found? Eyelashes are there to protect them from strong winds. To protect them from strong winds. Okay, it protects them from strong winds. And also, why their toes are placed? Their toes are placed because to protect them from hot sand. சூடான மணல்லேருந்து காப்பாற்றுறதுக்காக தான் their toes, கால் விரல்கள் இருக்கு. Eyelashes help them to protect from strong winds. And also humps are found. Why humps are found? Humps are there to store food. Humps are there to store food in their body. Okay, they use it lately when they didn't find any food. Okay, next one, the kid camel asked, what it asked? Ma, can you tell me why we have hard skin? கடினமான தோல். அந்த தோல் எப்படி இருக்குமோ அவ்வளோ கடினமாக இருக்குமா. நம்மளுக்கெல்லாம் ஸ்கின் எவ்வளோ சாஃப்டாக இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஆனால் அதோட தோல் ரொம்ப கடினமாக இருக்குமா. ஸோ இட் ஆஸ்க்டு his mom, why we have hard skin? Why we have hard skin? This camel replied, it saves us from thorny cactus plants. This is a one more question. It saves us from thorny cactus plant. முற்செடியிலேருந்து காப்பாற்றுறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம தோல் வந்து ரொம்ப கடினமாக இருக்குது. It saves us from thorny cactus plants as well as from the hot sun and cold nights in the desert, because the desert have the weather of hot sun and very cold night. So to protect themselves from those weather or climate on the desert, it has hard skin. It has hard skin to protect themselves from the thorny cactus plants. Okay, thorny cactus plants. Their hard skin protect them from thorny cactus plant. Cactus plant is nothing but this is the cactus plant, murchedi. Okay, mullu mulla irukku illaya, this one is called as cactus plant. This is the cactus plant. It protects them from cactus plant. Okay, it has hard skin to protect them from thorny cactus plants. Okay dears. Next one. This camel asked, Ma, but why are we in the zoo? நம்ம ஏன் இந்த ஜூவில் இருக்கோம்? But why are we in the zoo? Why are we not in the desert? We are supposed to in the desert, right? But we are in the zoo. What is the reason? Likewise, it asked. Okay. So, in this dialogue, the camel didn't have any answer. Nowadays, camels, we found camels in the zoo, right? அருங்காட்சியகம் மாதிரி அது வந்து ஜூவில் வந்து வச்சுருக்காங்க கேமல் எல்லாம். நம்ம ஏன் இன்னும் பாலைவனத்தில் இல்லை, ஏன் எல்லோரும் இங்கே இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு அது கேட்குதுமா. பட் ஒய் ஆர் வி இன் தி ஜூ? ஒய் ஆர் வி நாட் இன் தி டெசர்ட்? திஸ் மதர் கேமல் did it no answer. Okay, it did not have any answer for this question. Okay, the right place. The name is, lesson name is The Right Place. Kid asked, why we have short legs? Why short legs with, the elephants have short legs with 5 toes, but only we have long legs but only 2 toes. What is the reason? It asked. The mother camel replied, we live in the desert. The desert has a lot of sand and rocks. The desert has lot of sand and rocks. So, our legs help us to walk in those loose desert land. Our toes only protect us from the hot sand. Our toes help us to walk on the hot sand. For this purpose, it have long legs with short toes. Okay, the camel have long legs with short toes. Next one, it asked, why do I have eyelashes? Because to protect the camel from the strong winds, we have eyelashes. Likewise, the mother camel replied. Next, do you know why we have humps on our back? Why we have humps on our back? To store food. Our humps store food. What is the purpose of hump? Hump is to store the food items. Okay. Next one. Why we have hard skin? Because the hard skin saves us from thorny cactus plants. The hard skin save them from the thorny cactus plant. Then the last question the kid camel asked was, but why are we in the zoo? Why we are in the zoo? Why are we not in the desert? The mother camel have no answer for this question. Okay dears. Let's move on to the book back question and answers. First one, take page number 114. First one, tick the correct one. This is the, what is this? Is this eyelash or foot? What is this? It is a eyelash. It is the eyelashes. So tick the correct one. This is the eyelash. Next one, is this a toe or a neck? What is this? Is this a toe or a neck? It is a toe of the camel. It is the toe of the camel. Okay. Next one. What is this? Is this a desert or a mountain? This is a desert. What is this? It is a desert. Palivanam. Only desert has no plants and trees. Okay. We didn't find any water. It is only rare to see the trees and water on the desert. So it is a desert. Okay. First one. Next. Second one. Match the picture with its use. Match the picture. First we find out what is the picture is this. Okay. What picture is this? What is this? It is a hump. H-U-M-P. Hump. Okay. This is the hump. This is the hump. Next one. What is this? It is the toe. We already see here, right? It is the toe. T-O-E. Toe. Next one. What is this? It is eyelashes. What is this? It is a eyelashes. Eyelashes. Okay. These are the eyelashes. Here, what is this? This is the hard skin. This is their hard skin. First one, it is a hump. This one is a toe. It is eyelashes. It is a hard skin. Okay. This we have to match these picture how it protect. Likewise. Okay dears. First one, protects from hot sand. Which protects from hot sand? We see in this lesson, right? Which protect from hot sand? Toes. Toes protect from the hot sand. Where is the toes here? Here is the toes. Toes protect from hot sand. Next one, protects from cactus. Which one protects from cactus? Cactus. Which saves them? Hard skin. Their hard skin protect them. Their hard skin protect them from the thorny cactus plant. Okay, so protects from cactus, it is a hard skin. Only their hard skin protect from the cactus. Okay dears, next one. Stores food. Which one stores food? The hump is used to store the food items. Okay, hump is used to store food. Next one, protects from sandy wind. அனல் காற்றுலேருந்து மண் காற்றுலேருந்து எது பாதுகாக்குது? Eyelashes. Eyelashes protects from sandy winds. Eyelashes protects them from the sandy winds. Next, third Roman letter. Listen, think and write. Okay. A option. Name the animal in the story. Name the animal in the story. In the story we see camel, right? The animal in the story is camel. Okay, this is the camel. Spelling C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Next one. Why does camel have long legs? The long legs help to dash in the sand, to walk in the sand. To walk in the sand. The long legs helps to walk in the sand. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Okay. The long legs help to walk in the sand. Okay. Third one. Why does camel have long eyelashes? The eyelashes protect it from sandy manal kaathu winds. Okay, the eyelashes protect it from sandy winds. Winds. W-I-N-D-S. Winds. Okay. The eyelashes protect it from sandy winds. Next, D1. Where does the camel store food? The camel stores food in its hump. It stores food in its hump. H-U-M-P. Hump. Okay. E. Where are the camels in the story? The camels in the story are in the zoo. Okay, the camels in the story are in the zoo. In this story only, the camels are in the story. Okay, the camels in this story are in the zoo. Is it? Oh, zoo. The animal in the story is camel. The long legs help to walk in the sand. Why does camel have long eyelashes? The eyelashes protect it from sandy winds. The camel stores food in its hump. The camels in the story are in the zoo. Okay. Circle the odd one. Circle the odd one. We have to find, just observe these 4 diagrams and observe which one is the odd one. Okay dears, this is a water surface and also this one is also a water surface. It is a mountain. It is also a water surface, a river, lake. Okay, like this. So this is also a water, this is a water and this is a water. The odd one is mountain. We have to circle the odd one. Okay, this is the odd one out here. Okay dears, note it down on your book. Yes dears, note it down. Today your homework is this one. Okay, you have to send a voice note on saying. Okay, hump. Likewise, now I am giving you the example how you send your voice note. Hump stores food. Toe protects from hot sand. Eyelashes protects from sandy winds. Hard skin protects from cactus. Okay, likewise you have to send a voice note to our WhatsApp. Okay dears, thank you, have a nice day.